So Monica, what do we have in store today?
So we're making mocha with chocolate syrup,
Dark chocolate,
Illy coffee,
Mm-hmm.
milk frother, and we have babka, cinnamon babka.
Ooh.
This is our snack.
Can I peek inside? No, can
No,
I?
no, you can't.
The milk is all spinning around inside as it heats up and gets frothed. All right, why don't you show me your mocha pot here? I've never really seen you kind of load it up.
Okay, so we have the beautiful Bialetti Mocha Induction coffee pot, and it has 3 pieces. This is for water, this is for coffee, and that's where the boiled coffee comes in. So let's fill it in first with water.
Is there a line or something?
There is actually, you're filling it all the way to the bottom of that spout.
Oh, the pressure relief valve.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And so if you look inside,
Oh, you can see it. Okay.
you can see that the water is just below.
Gotcha.
Then you put this, you load it with the coffee. We use Illy Intenso, that's our favorite, Mocha pot special grind.
And do you pack it in, or you just
Slightly.
just slightly?
Yeah, you don't have to pack it like in a espresso machines. You just kind of slightly and make sure that this is off
The threads.
Piece off the threads. And then you screw the top on. You want to make sure you screw it really tightly. There. Okay.
This is a special mocha pot, which has a stainless steel base. Not stainless steel, probably. Some sort of induction compatible base, but it's not aluminum. And the base is also wider, so it's really soaking up the power there. We're currently putting in 350 watts or so, and we'll, for giggles, I'll sum up all the power used to create this wonderful coffee break in the mountains. We are at the top, almost the top, of the Schaefer switchbacks.
Yeah. Ooh,
Here on the
smelly.
edge of Canyonlands.
It's coming.
Ooh, here it comes. The truck did fantastic. In fact, why don't we go walk over here, see if I can see the switchbacks. Gotta get back quick though. Oh yeah, we can see some of the switchbacks. Check it out. Oh yeah, there's the road. Crazy. So the road goes right along the top edge here, around that corner, and really just that little pocket behind it goes switchbacking down to where the road comes out down there. So cool. So cool. Even cooler, professional grade coffee in the wild. All right, so we used 34 watt hours of power, not include the milk frother. I'm gonna have to do that math later and add it to the video, but only 34 watt hours. Oh, that looks good. And the milk's done too. It's fine.
Smells good.
It's fine.
Doesn't smell.
Monica was a little worried because the milk jug was all puffed up, right? A sign of bacteria growth, but in this case, just elevation change, as far as we know.
As far as we know.
We're supposed to be camping tonight, but it could be a little rough if, you know, it's a little rough. Oh yeah, check that out. Oh yeah. Foam and everything. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah.
did it take?
Oh, I have no idea. Like no time at all.